was appointed end of December 2011. Then he came in January 2012. By 2013, he ran for elections, May 2013, and won as regional governor.
Ang pinaka-challenge nung una, yung appointed siya as regional governor. Kasi kumbaga pa, who's that guy? The President trusted that Mujib can deliver the services needed by the people in RMM.
When he assumed as OIC, regional governor at that time, because of a massive campaign of reforming the entire bureaucracy, including the Department of Education, we were able to identify those schools, those employees. Nakasave po kami ng 200 million plus.
Pag-upo pa lang ni Regional Governor ay determinado na ito sa pagbabago at determinado na ito linisin yung buong kagawaran ng edukasyon. And actually, hindi lang naman kagawaran ng edukasyon sa lahat mga departamento na meron yung autonomous region.
Bago po magsimula ang mga reforma natin sa ARM, alam naman po nyo, may mga ghost students doon na naglalakad sa isang ghost road tungo sa isang ghost school para magpaturo sa isang ghost teacher. Kaya nga po, kay OIC Governor Mujib Bataman, ang masasabi natin, talaga namang isa ka ng certified Ghostbuster.
Si Governor Mujib, pupil ko yan. Matagal na ako noon pa nag-apply. Ngayon lang na-approve ang promotion ko. Laki ang pagsasalamat ko kay Governor Mujib Bataman. Dumaan talaga sa proseso ang pagbabago sa ARM.
Nung pumasok kami dito talaga medyo hirap. Most of the projects are implemented by other administrative regions. Kulang daw kasi ang receptive capacity ng mga tao dito sa RMM. But with the regional governor, naipakita niya na kaya ng RMM i-implement ang programa within the RMM.
From the moment that he sat down, he removed the pork barrel in the Regional Legislative Assembly. Yung pera na ibibigay sana sa mga assemblymen, inipon yon at ginamit siya para sa mga infrastructure program that would be implemented by DPWH ARM.
Naabot ng 4 billion plus yung infrastructure project ng Hataman Administration. Malaging legacy na siguro ito ni Governor Hataman na bago pumalit yung Bangsamoro Agreement, planchado na siguro yung mga infrastructure project.
Actually, si RG is a micromanager. To the details po yan. Siya pa yung manager na tinitingnan ang detalye, lahat from personnelling, from fiscal.
Dapat walang bawat moro or bangsamoro ang magugutom. Ang kailangan lang nating ayusin kung paano mailagay sa tama yung programa. I-stop na lahat ng maininggan. Nung na-receive namin yung letter from the MSU President, immediately kinausap namin at sinulatan ang company intended for that. Hindi kayo pwede dyan kasi yung barangay mismo may opposition dyan.
Ang laki ng responsibility na binigay sa kanya. And even bigger now because he won in the 2013 elections as regional governor. But before his term would end, he would have to give up this position. And he has been pronouncing this repeatedly. He will step down. All of us would step down. So it's the second great sacrifice that he's going to do.
Ang maganda na sa RMM, all resources are here in RMM. Kung maayos in the future, kung talagang magkaroon ng magandang struktura ang autonomiya dito sa parting ito ng Pilipinas, then I think it would move faster than all the other regions ng Pilipinas.
Happy birthday, RG!
Go, boss! happy birthday. Sana dumami ang katulad mong leader ng mga Muslims na missionary at tapat sa trabaho.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We pray for your continuous leadership in reforming the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao.
I am very much thankful to you for all the chances that you've given to me. Happy birthday.
Boss, there's so much to celebrate for ARMM and for its people. Happy birthday po.
Boss, happy birthday! Congratulations for all your accomplishments.
Boss, happy birthday! Sana mas marami pa tayong matulungan ng mga taga-ARMM para mas lalong gaganda ang pamumuhay ng ating mga kababayan.
Hindi nyo lang po alam kung paano po kami umahanga sa inyong liderado. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. Suisalute.
Sana patuloy-tuloy yung ating ginagawang kabutihan. Mahirap na daw tularan yung ating administration. Happy birthday, boss.
Hello, RG. Happy birthday. In behalf of the FAR family, kami ay masaya. Ikaw ang aming idol. Ngayon ko lang sasabihin, I love you, RG!